Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10. In this video I'll tell you how to fix phone heating while charging. In case you're charging your smartphone with fast charger, it is normal for the smartphone to overheat. Next, you can go to background apps and disable them because they might drain the battery. Make sure you are using original charger and cable, or at least the one that are supported by your smartphone. Avoid using phone while charging, for example for gaming, to make sure that the phone will not overheat. You can also remove case to improve heat dissipation and charge in cool ventilated area. If you still got a problem, go to battery, battery diagnostics, and select phone is warm. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.